guy named Walter Clay. I'm pretty sure you already know his name, but here you go, bro.
I'm a little nervous speaking in front of big crowds. Nah, man, like Coach said, though, we appreciate all y'all. We wouldn't have been able to do this without all y'all support all season. Just chill. And man, like Coach said, man, like we've been saying all year, man, Gator Boys stay hot. Yes, sir.
Will Richard, another senior Gator right here. Will Richard. Hey man, this is special. I mean, this is what we all came to Florida to do, to get us back to that stage and win a national championship. I mean, we wouldn't be able to do it without y'all, and we love y'all. This is for Gator Nation. This is for everybody. Gator Boys, stay hot. We got one more. Elijah Martin.
Man, everybody on this stage deserves this moment. Everybody in them seats out there deserve those moments. And we're gonna celebrate this tonight. You know what I'm saying? The Gator Boys stay hot.
Tommy, help!
I want to thank all y'all for coming out here, and New Oxford, PA, baby! Condo! I got one thing to say. Ozzy! Gator Boys, stay hot!
Hey, real quick, we gotta give some love to a guy that gave up his year to come back and be a part of this team. Micah Handlockton! Man, I just want to thank all y'all for coming out and supporting us each and every game this season. It really means the world to us. We all love each other. We all love y'all. Gator Boys, stay hot! How about I got Ruben?
Put them lights on. Light it up. Hey, I just want to say thank you all to the fans, you guys backing up Odon, being out there for us, cheering us. So we appreciate that. I just want to say, go get them.
Get up, boys! Stay hard! Another young man that had a great season and a big-time game for us tonight, Denzel Aberdeen!
I just want to thank y'all for coming out tonight, man. You feel me? Nah, for real though, I just want to thank y'all for coming out, man. Appreciate y'all from our beginning here. Allowing me to stay in this program, man. It means a lot. Love Florida, love all y'all. And Gator Boys, stay hot.
First of all, I want to say thank you to all the fellas at Southwest Rec for preparing me for this. Especially my intramural team, which is here tonight. Hugh, Spencer, Brett are in the house. And lastly, Gator Boys, stay hot. Look at! We got enough players. How about one of the best coaches in the country, Carlin Hartman?
This ain't about me. I just want to say thank you all, Gator Nation, and also to our great staff like Coach Golden mentioned, Associate Coach Corey McCray, And two guys that are going to be leaving us really soon, Kevin Hovey, that's going to be going to Columbia, John Andrzejak, that's going to Campbell University, and the best analytics coach in the country, Jonathan Sapphire. This is for our staff, this is for our players, and this is for Gator Nation. And of course, I had them there. I had Jordan Talley, one of the best player development coaches in the country. Give him a shout out. Neighborhood. And now you're a three-time national champ, twice as a player, Torian Green.
Nation, y'all showed up. Hey, Walt, one thing, boy. That ain't Theta New Theta. What it is, boy?
Boy, Gator go Gator, man.
Gator go Gator, man. Gator go Gator. Appreciate y'all, man. Gator Nation, y'all showed up and showed out.
All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all. And thank you. I appreciate y'all. You know, I'm happy to bring the championship back to the Ronnie Reptiles. Go Gators. Gator Boys, stay hot.